Can you repair a toxic relationship? Contrary to popular belief, not all toxic relationships are doomed. The determining element?
According to Manly, there must be a shared desire for change.
Change is unfortunately unlikely to happen if only one partner is committed to developing healthy patterns. Here are a few indicators that you two may be able to resolve the issue. Acknowledging one's duty. You're on the right road if you and your partner both recognize that your relationship needs work and desire to make it better. It's crucial for both parties to acknowledge previous actions that have affected the relationship, Manly continues. It exhibits a desire for self-awareness and accountability. In other words, both parties should own their role in the toxic relationship, including any animosity, envy, or silence on worries and disappointments. Ability to invest. Are you and your partner both willing to put in the effort necessary to improve the union? That's encouraging. This may manifest by an interest in deepening conversations, Manly writes, or by scheduling regular blocks of time for quality time with one another. Stop blaming and start comprehending. There might be a way forward if you can both move the conversation away from finger-pointing and more toward understanding and education. You may try stating something like, "I think we misunderstood each other. So let's try again." Or, "I understand why you're feeling stressed and upset. How can we work on that together?" As opposed to, "It's your fault," or, "You always do XYZ. These methods of communication can be useful. Openness to outside assistance. You can occasionally require assistance to get things back on track, either through individual or marriage counseling. It's acceptable to seek professional assistance when dealing with persistent relationship problems. Relationship counselors are qualified to provide a balanced viewpoint and unbiased support because there are instances when you can't see everything that is causing the poisonous environment within the relationship. They can also impart new conflict resolution techniques, making it simpler to establish wholesome patterns that endure. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.